I've been using CADLink for as long as I've been working here, so about 2 to 3 years.
We've been using CADLink for about 4 years now.
I've been using CADLink for about 6 years now.
We have been CADLink users for the last 3 years.
Before CADLink, we've been having to do a lot of our BOM uploads manually, which took up a lot of time, cost a lot of effort, design time. And now with CADLink, the process is a lot more automated.
CADLink's impacted our process by speeding up a lot of things and allowing us to be able to work on more projects and jobs.
CADLink makes assembly revisions a breeze because once you update the SolidWorks assembly, it compares the component changes to the bill of materials that you already have in Epicor and then can automatically update those accordingly.
When you buy a software solution, it's really important the company behind it. And in QBuild, you just find a great team of people.